Listen, if these little puppies aren't worth a like, comment and a subscribe, you shouldn't be watching this channel. Safety first, mother...
Yeah, boy. Right.
Hello and welcome back to another episode. What have we got planned today, John?
Well, as you can see on the table, we've got some brand new Wishbones. We've got the Powerflex Black Series track for these. And if you'd like to come out here,
we've got our safety gear on, and that is because John is wire wheeling the front subframe. We need to get all that grime out of there. To be honest, mate, you've done quite a lot of this already, haven't you?
I certainly have.
But then once this is done, rust cure, primer, paint,
make a glossy black again.
Make a glossy, shiny belting, and then once that's done, you reckon we need to sand it down?
Yeah.
Rust coat it.
We want to make that look like that again. Today.
Primer, paint. Don't think we're getting these bolted on. Bushes pressed in.
Safety first for me, mate, after last week. Never again. And that was my good eye. I lost that one. Whew. Alright, I'm ready for the big flip.
Flipping hell, John.
Oh.
I am a dad. I'm allowed.
So, just a sprucey again on this side. Ow.
I'll say it again, I think we should just clear coat and put it on rat rod style. And while he's doing that, I'm doing this one. Try to get all this surface rust off here.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time.
The surface rust coming off this quite well. This is the seat here where the bottom of the spring sits. That's where the rear hub bolt onto. I think the key with this is just try and get it all smooth. Then we'll treat the rust, prime it, probably flatten it down again. A couple of coats of paint.
You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes. I got cuts real deep in, bruises scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head, not heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts.
Very pitted, but it's coming up nice. All the surface rust's off. That's the handbrake bracket there. Still need to do flip it over. Do the other side. Right, we've done one side. Flipped it over, this is the dirty side, but we'll have a little break from that because we've set up the photo booth again and we're going to put some primer on there. 2 minutes?
No. Thought you'd done it.
Yeah, we did that off camera.
Right. How is this not working today? go.
Someone's knocking at your door. Someone's ringing your bell. Dog's barking at my phone. Here's some John made earlier. Look at them. Anyone would have thought you bought them brand new from the shop, John. And then we've got these Powerflex bushes to fit. And you clean them bolts up nice as well.
Real nice.
They look brand new. We'll have to whiz round to the Garage of Dreams to press those bushes out and get these new ones fitted. Have you got
on the new press?
On the new
bottle
press.
jack?
Yeah, because Mike Sorry's finally brought the bottle jack round. Here he is, Johnny Reb.
Johnny Reb saved my life.
At the Garage of Dreams. So we've nipped round to my house because we're gonna try and press these bushes out with a trusty press.
Mike Sorry
dropped the bottle jack off the other day, so we're gonna try and
after 1 year. But yeah, let's get these out.
And what's going in there, pal? Powerflex.
And let's get some of these rascals in.
Alright, John, what are you doing in there, pal?
Just hiding, mate. Just hiding. Right, you give this a couple of pumps.
Do us a favour though, watch your meat pies,
Yeah,
pal.
of course. Nothing yet. Nothing apart from a bend of the bone.
Right,
Right, moving now.
Come in.
Keep it moving, we're good.
Okay, watch the pop.
No, you're not ready for a pop yet. Oh, don't. Oh. Go on, mate. Any second. Bang. There she goes.
There's the pop.
Wishbone bent. I'm only joking. Right. Let's get these in.
Hello, my name's John.
Hello.
And this is Baguettes in Airspace. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell your mother and tell your nonatha. Goodbye.
I'll have to come back down here where you can see me. So we're about to put these in there. One in there. One in there. And there we have one wishbone, one new wishbone with Powerflex bushes. That is actually complete, literally
Obviously.
complete. So, as we was trying to press these out, these old bushes to get these new ones in, now whether these are a little bit shifty or we did a little bit of bendy, we had a little bit of a nightmare, only with one, to be fair, wasn't it? It
First one.
Probably was,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
we wasn't to know until we put the last thing in, and it was the last one that we couldn't get this brass fitting in, gold fitting, whatever it is. But it's in, and I think if there is any kinkies, I think when we bolt it up, otherwise it wouldn't have sat in because they're all sat in nicely. And Mike Quarry's turned up. Mike, sorry, should I say?
He's here. Just part-time Mike, aren't I?
Oh, dog! Dim, dim, dim! Right, swiftly moving on. I think we need to get outside and get the subframe painted so we can get these on, and the subframe, fingers crossed, is going to look the same as that.
Look better, I think.
Oh, mate.
Yeah.
Let's get going.
Paint, loads of paint on it.
It made trusty, my little faithful have broke it, so Out the way.
Oh, so you have to go 2 hands.
Oh, gentle. It is going to look mega once this is done.
This is the glossier one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She is looking glossy.
So John has now painted the subframe gloss black. It's looking absolutely pucker. So now what we're going to do is, we've got the rear subframe that's been rust treated, which is now ready for a coat of primer. So I think if the rain holds off a little bit, or we might go and do it in the garage. So we'll see. But this is looking absolute spanking.
Get some
ready for the lower arms to go in. So yeah.
Oh,
Right,
right boys, where are we up to now?
You get them snips and get this
I've
down.
got the snips. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're going to take this down now.
Take the weight, Mike.
Yeah, I've got
Are
it.
you sure?
Yeah.
Sure. Hey.
Take it away, mister.
She is beaming.
Got Matty here, doing down the subframe.
Get the tongue out.
Doesn't do anything.
Can you got that?
I can do if you want to do it that way.
What's your bonds?
Get the rear beam.
Is it a bit close, this one?
I'll have to go on that one again. I got it. What's your bonds?
Okay.
Yeah, she's up.
Run!
Ready for primer.
Nah, it's solid that. Right.
Right, we've just had to jump in the garage. As Mr. Sorry just said, we was going to put some primer on the rear beam, but we're having to bring it in because it's raining. It's pure rusted up, so we don't want it getting wet and anymore. So we're bringing it in. I am going to crack on with that off camera tomorrow. Get that done. Get all the brackets done. So next week, the next episode, you're going to see this May. I mean, I think we thought we were going to get further than we did today, although we did well. This might be rolling next weekend. Yeah. This might be rolling. So if you made it this far and you would like to see any more and this rolling out of El Garage, then as always, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Tell your mum. Tell your dad.
See you soon.